Imagine a time 66 million years ago. The Earth was a very different place. Giant reptiles, the dinosaurs, roamed the land, then disaster struck. An enormous asteroid collided with our planet. This catastrophic event caused widespread destruction and changed the course of life on Earth. The impact threw huge amounts of dust and debris into the atmosphere. This blocked out the sun, causing a global cooling effect. Plants, starved of sunlight, withered and died. The dinosaurs, who relied on these plants for food, eventually perished. This mass extinction marked the end of an era. However, from the ashes of this devastation, new opportunities arose. The impact created ideal conditions for fungi to thrive. Fungi are decomposers, meaning they feed on dead organic matter. With vast amounts of decaying plant and animal matter available, fungal populations exploded. This abundance of fungi would soon attract the attention of a small, resourceful creature, the ant. This marked the beginning of one of the most remarkable partnerships in the natural world. Ants are incredibly resilient creatures. They are found in almost every habitat on Earth, from rainforests to deserts. Their ability to adapt to a wide range of environments is key to their survival. In the wake of the asteroid impact, ants were quick to take advantage of the changed world. They were drawn to the abundance of fungi, which provided a readily available food source. Ants are social insects, living in colonies with thousands, even millions of individuals. To feed such large numbers, they needed a reliable and plentiful supply of food. Fungi fit the bill perfectly. This marked the beginning of a fascinating relationship between ants and fungi. Ants began collecting fungi and bringing them back to their nests. This was the first step towards ant agriculture, a practice that would evolve over millions of years. Over time, ants and fungi developed a mutually beneficial relationship. Ants provided a protected environment for the fungi to grow, safe from harsh weather and competing organisms. They also fed the fungi with a constant supply of organic matter, such as leaves and other plant material. In return, the fungi provided a nutritious food source for the ants. Some species of fungi developed specialized structures called gongilidia that are rich in nutrients and easily digestible by ants. This exchange of resources, with each partner benefiting the other, is a classic example of symbiosis. This partnership proved incredibly successful. Ants that cultivated fungi thrived in the post-asteroid world. They spread to new habitats and diversified into numerous species. Today, there are over 200 species of ants that practice fungus farming. Scientists have used genetic analysis to trace the origins of ant agriculture. Their research indicates that the first ants began cultivating fungi around 66 million years ago, coinciding with the asteroid impact. This suggests that the impact played a crucial role in the evolution of this remarkable behavior. The early ant farmers were relatively simple in their practices. They collected fungi from the wild and grew them on a small scale within their nests. However, over millions of years, ant agriculture became increasingly sophisticated. Section 5, From Forest to Field, Adapting to a Changing World. As the Earth continued to recover from the asteroid impact, environments changed. Forests, once widespread, gave way to grasslands and savannas. Ants, being adaptable creatures, followed the changing landscape. This shift to new habitats presented challenges for their fungal farming practices. In forests, ants had access to a constant supply of moist, decaying leaves, ideal for growing fungi. In drier environments, such materials were scarce. To overcome this challenge, ants developed new strategies. Some species began to collect seeds and other plant parts, while others evolved to farm fungi that could tolerate drier conditions. This adaptability allowed ant agriculture to flourish in a wider range of environments, contributing to the success of both ants and their fungal partners. Section 6, 27 million years ago, leafcutter ants, masters of agriculture. Around 27 million years ago, a new group of ant farmers emerged, the leafcutter ants. These ants are true agricultural masters. They have developed highly specialized farming techniques that are remarkably similar to human agriculture in some ways. Leafcutter ants don't eat the leaves they collect directly. Instead, they use them as a substrate to grow their fungal crops. They cut and process leaves into a pulp, creating the perfect growing medium for their fungal partners. Leafcutter ant colonies can be massive, with millions of individuals working together to maintain their fungal gardens. They have a complex division of labor, with different ants responsible for specific tasks, such as cutting leaves, tending to the fungus, and defending the colony. Section 7. Domestication, a shared strategy for survival. The story of ant agriculture is a remarkable example of convergent evolution. This is where unrelated organisms evolve similar solutions to similar problems. In this case, both ants and humans developed agriculture as a way to secure a reliable food supply. Just as humans domesticated plants and animals selecting for desirable traits, ants have domesticated their fungal partners. Over millions of years, they have shaped the evolution of these fungi, favoring strains that are highly nutritious and easy to grow. This process of domestication has resulted in a close interdependence between ants and their fungal crops. The fungi have become entirely reliant on the ants for their survival, while the ants are dependent on the fungi for their food. Section 8. Lessons from the little guy, ant agriculture's enduring legacy. The story of ant agriculture is a testament to the power of adaptation and cooperation in the natural world. It also highlights the interconnectedness of life on Earth. The asteroid impact that wiped out the dinosaurs paved the way for the rise of ant agriculture, demonstrating how seemingly catastrophic events can lead to unexpected evolutionary outcomes. Studying ant agriculture can provide valuable insights into the challenges and opportunities of sustainable food production. These tiny farmers have a lot to teach us about efficiency, resource management, and the importance of biodiversity. By understanding the intricate relationships between ants, fungi, and their environment, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity of life on Earth.